Hello, everyone. Welcome to Novigo's SAP LB and Uber Freight Connection demo. I am Bimal and I am accompanied by Saruhan. We are both from Chicago office. Today, we are discussing a broadcast entering scenario with Uber Freight as one of the carriers, and we have two other carriers in it, and those are test carriers set up in LB and test tenants. So we start with a SAP TM freight order. We will be sending a broadcast tender out to all the three carriers, and Uber Freight will immediately respond with a quote amount. And whereas for carrier 1 and carrier 2, we will log in on behalf of that carrier into Novigo's carrier test tenant and respond with a certain quote amount. Once we receive all the responses, we will be evaluating the response and awarding the carrier. Once the carrier is awarded, then the carrier is assigned to the freight order. Then we will be showcasing how the charges are updated in the freight order, and subsequently a freight settlement document can be created. So now Saruhan will show the shipper tenant how the Uber Freight is connected, and subsequent demo on freight order will be shown.
Thanks, Bimal. So now I will start the demo in our Novigo system. And to begin with, I'll show the Uber Freight connection through our LBN shipper test network. So to show that, I logged in to our shipper tenant, and we click this Discover Business Partners app here to show the connected accounts. And here we can see that LBN ID with this number for Uber Freight is connected to our LBN system, and it's ready to use. Now I will show how we are doing this in our SAP TM system and how we are getting the quote amount from Uber Freight carrier through LBN. Now I will go to our SAP system, and this is a sample freight order document, shipment document with a source location and destination location is here. And departure date is July 24th and arrival date is July 28th. And today is July 23rd. So the shipping date is between 14 days of interval, which is a requirement from Uber Freight carrier to submit the quote amount for this shipment. So it happens between these 14 days, the shipping date. Now I will start the tendering process. To do that, I will go to the subcontracting tab in shipment document here. And to start the automatic tendering process, I click this button here, and it asks me to put the tendering profile, which we already defined in our system. So when I click OK, we will send 3 different RFQs, like Bimal mentioned, to 3 different carriers. And one of those carriers is Uber Freight. So we will get a quote amount from Uber Freight instantly. So I click OK now. And we start the broadcast tendering process. And here we can see that we sent 3 different RFQs to 3 different carriers, and all of them are open. And first carrier is Uber carrier. Now, if I refresh this, we will see that Uber carrier has already sent the quote amount. And we can see the price here with $2,094. Now I will go back to the LBN portal and I will log in as a carrier, and I will accept or reject those freight requests for quotations for the Eco Logistics and CH Robinson, our carrier 1 and carrier 2. Now first one is 1495 quotation number, Eco Logistics. To do that, I click freight request for quotation app, and 1495 is this one. So I will accept this quotation with a proposed price. Let's assume that this carrier is giving a price for $2,100 for this shipment. I accept this. And if I go back to the shipment document in SAP and refresh this, we will see that this amount, this quotation is accepted by Eco Logistics and with a price of $2,100. Now I will go back to the LBN portal and I will do the same for the CH Robinson. So I will click this quotation and again, I will accept this with a proposed amount in our system. Let's assume that this carrier, CH Robinson, is giving a price proposal for $2,150 for this shipment. So when I click accept, we accept this quotation as a carrier. And if we go back to our freight order document and refresh, we'll see that the CH Robinson is already accepted with $2,150 amount. And we completed the tendering process because we evaluated all three offers and we awarded the best offer, which is from Uber Freight Carrier with a price of $2,094. So with this, we completed the tendering process and we assigned the carrier, as we can see here in the subcontracting tab. Now we can also display the charges details in charge tab. We can see that Uber, we can see the quoted amount that Uber gave us, $2,094, and here we can see the details of it with just one line, and it shows as an adjustment charge description, same amount, $2,094. So once we assign the carrier, we also send this freight order document to the Uber Freight Carrier for confirmation. And once we get the confirmation from Uber Freight, this confirmation status will change and it will be confirmed. And then we can go into the execution part of it. And also, once we get the confirmation from Uber Freight Carrier, we can create freight settlement document by clicking this button to finalize the settlement process. And this is the end of our demo for today to show the SAP LBN Uber Freight connection. Thank you for watching.